Sup, my dudes? It's Demi and hello from Disney's Hollywood Studios. Today I'm gonna have myself a Pixar day. I'm gonna do everything in Hollywood Studios that is Pixar. That it means the rides, the food, the characters. I wanna do it all. So let's go get into some hijinks. It only feels right to start in the land based on the movie that inspired it all, Toy Story Land. Let's do some Slinky Dog Dash. Here we go. Back row. Taking a little detour outside of Toy Story Land to the old Municiberg, which has not reopened since the parks reopened. It is behind those doors. Used to be a little dance party with the Incredibles and meet and greets with Mr. Incredible, Elastigirl, Frozone, and Edna, but now you will see them in the cavalcade instead, except for Frozone actually. But you got the cool sign, and what's awesome is that here at the market, they have brought back the Jack Jack Cookie Num Nums from the Incredibles. Thank you so much. Oh my God, it's so big. It's so big, look. It's like the size of my face. It came out warm, which is what's supposed to be, and it's just supposed to be like ooey and gooey. All right, here we go. Oh, some chocolate fell out. So in the middle, the point of the Jack Jack Cookie Num Num is that it's gooey on the middle, so it's like a little undercooked. Oh, so look how melty that is. Wow. That is so yummy. I'm so glad that they brought this back here since Municiberg is closed. But, ooh, there's so much chocolate in it. This is a great snack. It's definitely shareable. Like, I can't eat this whole thing. I'm so happy that I got to have one. Great Pixar day so far. And now to ride the filler attraction to end all filler attractions. Alien Swirling Saucer. It is actually kind of fun. It's basically the whip if you've never been on it. But if there's a long wait, don't waste your time because there's so many other better rides here. But it is part of Pixar Day, so let's do it. Also, real quick, I love the Toy Story bathrooms so much. Probably one of my favorite bathrooms in all of Disney World. Oh man, I hope I don't get sick. Let's do it. God, here we go. Whoa! Fun, but it's not worth it more than a 25-minute wait. I am so excited because I haven't eaten at Woody's Lunchbox since the parks reopened, and it has some of my favorite food. It's really difficult to get food here right now because they have a small kitchen, so you have to place your mobile order like a couple hours in advance, but I'm really excited to get some grilled cheese. Hi! Bye! You guys, you don't understand how excited I am about to eat this grilled cheese. It's like my favorite thing in this park. And you can make this yourselves. I will link the recipe right here for you somewhere, huh? And I got the kids menu grilled cheese because that way I get only a half a sandwich, which is plenty for me. Plus you get 2 sides. You can get a cutie and tater tots, or you can get double of each, and you get a drink. And then I got a side of soup to dip my grilled cheese in. So let's dig in. It's so cheesy. So it's 3 grilled cheese. It's, I don't remember, but it's 3 of them, and they're fantastic. I believe it's cheddar, provolone, and cream cheese. That's what it was. Yeah, I made this. Obviously, I know what this is. And you got to dip it in the tomato soup. That is the key. Oh my God. I love this so much. But you know what's funny? And I don't mean to mean this as a brag or anything, but when I made this at home, it was better. When I made it for the video that you should go watch and then you can create yourself, it was a little better. Maybe because it's probably been, I don't know if this sits out, but I mean, it's still delicious, but yeah, mine was better. I'm going to say it. I'm honest. Oh, so good though. So incredibly good. And then I got little tater tots. Love tater tots. I wish there was more tater tot options in life. Like there's always like fries or like a baked potato. Never a tot. Tot is wonderful. Wait, what happens if you dip a tater tot in tomato soup? I thought it would be more spectacular. It's good, but it's not like, oh my gosh, I just invented the newest thing in the world. But it's good. So this really sweet cast member came up to me and she was like, do you want a Lunchbox tart? We had an extra one. And I was like, absolutely. I love a Lunchbox tart. It's basically like a Pop-Tart, but better and more fresh. And I forgot if I put that video out, but if I didn't yet, it will be eventually, and then I will link it here to make it at home. But let's give it a taste. I don't remember. I think this is the chocolate one. If it's blue, I think it's chocolate. It's blue. No filling yet. Hold on. Blueberry, I think. Here we go. No. Yes. Blueberry. It is blueberry. For a second I thought it might have been cranberry, but it's blueberry. It's so good. It all comes down to the freshness of this pastry, and it's really delicious. Like, I wish Pop-Tarts actually did taste like this. But now you can make them at home. Well, eventually you can when I put that out for you guys. Since there's no character meet and greets right now, I'm gonna make my own character meet and greet. Hi, Woody. I love you so much. Well, I really love Tom Hanks, but that makes me love you too.
There's a snake in my boot.
Oh.
But that's not going to stop me from welcoming all you new toys to Andy's backyard.
Thanks, Woody. Don't forget to look out for Andy's footprints. You see it?
Well,
Isn't that cool?
You're my favorite.
So since there are no character meet and greets right now, what the park is offering is a awesome Pixar cavalcade, which I love so very much. Hi, Mr. Incredible! Yes, Edna! I love you, Sally! Green Army Men, Jesse, Woody, and Buzz in the amazing car. Hi, Woody! I love you! Yeah! Going to end my Toy Story Land day as part of my Pixar day at a true love of mine, Toy Story Mania. I may not be good at it, but I do love it.
Hey, howdy, hey! Welcome to our practice game. Hey, everyone! Now you get to score points!
upside down Sunset Boulevard, right next to Rock and Roller Coaster, is Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. This is a show with a really cool Lightning McQueen animatronic. I wouldn't wait too long for this ride. It's not even a ride, it's a show. It's very cute. If you have a Cars fan, they'll love it. But the animatronic is awesome, so let's go check it out.
Lightning McQueen is driving in to share his racing insights with all of you.
Hit the music, hit the lights, make them spin, hit the lasers. Okay, that's lasers, last laser.
Put the wheels together for second time Instant Cup champion and Mayor's best friend, Lightning McQueen!
Ka-chow! 3, 2, 1, go! All right, it's always good to start with a practice lap. Warm up your tires.
Hit the window.
Just like Smokey taught us. Hey, whoa! Hey, what was that? I didn't press nothing.
Probably a bug. I can fix this.
Are you afraid to go for a drive because of a leaky tailpipe? I'm Lightning McQueen for leak less. That was only supposed to air overseas.
Hey, McLoser!
Chick, what are you doing here?
Well, I hacked into your silly simulator so I could race you and finally prove who's the best race car. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I'm facing the wrong way. I need to know where I've been. All right, how's I doing, everyone?
Don't cut it.
Turn right to go left. Well, that doesn't even make sense. Hey, let's make some noise for Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow.
My dudes, I had so much fun today doing my little Pixar day. I do miss Municiberg and, being able to meet the characters, but the rides are so much fun, and the food was so good, and I just had such a great time. Plus, I do love that cavalcade. It's a great cavalcade, probably the best cavalcade. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and hit your bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx, and until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.